is the next morning and it's super overcast. I just finished putting a ton of sunscreen on, as you guys can see, with just like the gloss, the sheen that's on my face. But right now we are going to go eat smoothies for breakfast, or drink smoothies for breakfast. And then we're gonna go diving. We have 3 dives planned, super fun. Good thing is tomorrow is our whale shark dive, so hopefully the weather clears up by then. Right now we are in our wetsuits, and to go to our dive site, we're actually gonna go on a trike to arrive at the, we're gonna go on a trike to get to the beach, and all our gear is being taken by boats. This is gonna be fun. This is my dad with his amazing cowboy hat, and we're headed to the first dive site.
So here we are, getting ready for our first dive in the south with our amazing crew, guests, friends, and of course yours truly, right? Okay, there we go. Yeah.
So we just finished our first dive, and here is thoughts from my father. Father, thoughts on the first dive?
Welcome to Southern Cebu, and it was awesome. We've got a cute companion over here. Sort of started things off and ended things off, keeping things happy. The wind and the waves we picked up, but the visibility was good. We saw sea snake, we saw giant pufferfish.
A really big pufferfish.
Oh, not a giant, a really big pufferfish. And of course, we saw a really nice clam.
Hi!
And here's our friend again.
You want a segment? How was the dive? What do you think? What do you think? Hello!
And it was a very nice dive. Over here, hello. It was a very nice dive, and my companions performed admirably. Our DM crew is fantastic, so
yeah.
We're looking forward to the next one.
Yeah. It was super cool. Wow, I look like a mess. It was really cool because when we were seeing the sea snake, I'll try to put a photo up. It was like a white one with black stripes, and we actually were able to see it swim up to the surface, get a breath of air, and come right back down, which is crazy because you never get to see that. So that was super cool. Good first dive. Hi, you're handsome doggy. Hello.
I know there's biscuits. There's always biscuits.
Looks so stupid.
Stupid. Here we go. Watch this one.
Yeah. Hey, out of your boot. Oh god, right? So we just got back from our first 2 dives, and before doing the second dive we stopped to eat. So I got a hot chocolate in this gorgeous cup because I am freezing, and we also have a pizza on its way. And the sun finally decided to come out, so hopefully it stays this way for our next dive. This is one of the pizzas, and it's a cheese pizza. It's really good. So we are back at the resort. Our second dive was actually incredible. We saw 7 turtles, 1 massive cuttlefish, 1 really big moray eel. Oh, my dad is outside waving. 2 seconds. That was incredible. I was actually up in the room filming the post-dive vlog for you guys, as you saw, and I heard my dad calling me from down here because our room is up there. There were dolphins right out here. So that was incredible. I'm pretty sure I got a couple shots of them, like in the waves. So I'm hopefully, you know, I got some shots of that. It's very sunny, so I couldn't really see my phone very well. But that was incredible. I didn't even know the dolphins came here, which is stupid, but yeah, that's incredible. So hopefully I get more opportunities to see them. And for dinner, I got the meat lasagna again, and she got the vegetarian one.